Did you know there's many training styles and they're all a little bit different from one another? Do you know which one's gonna best help you reach your goals? Today, we're gonna explore 3 different training styles: strength training, hypertrophy training or muscle building, and power training. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what each one is, how they're different from each other, and which one you should start focusing on in order to reach your goals. Let's get started. First up, we have strength training. The goal here is simple: get as strong as possible. This style focuses on lifting heavy weight for lower reps, usually about 3 to 8 repetitions. For strength training, you're typically going to want to prioritize compound lifts like deadlifts, squats, and bench press. Rest periods are longer, normally around 2 to 5 minutes, to make sure you're fully recovered for the next heavy lift. This style of training is really good for athletes trying to build strength and a good foundation, but it's also just good for anybody trying to do any kind of focus on exercise and strength in general. If you build up your strength, you're going to have a good foundation for every other type of exercise. Next up, we have hypertrophy training, which is all about building muscle size. This style of training isolates smaller muscle groups for a little bit higher rep ranges, like 8 to 12 reps, with a lighter weight. Now, one thing when it comes to rep ranges is the reps themselves are not magical. 3 to 8 reps or 8 to 12 reps aren't going to automatically make you stronger or put on more muscle. It's more dependent on the amount of weight that you're using. So heavier weight means you're going to only be able to do 3 to 8 reps before you burn out. You should be coming close to failure. That's going to be strength training. Hypertrophy training, you should be failing close to that 10 to 12, 8 to 12 rep range. That's going to help you put on more muscle. So it's about the weight that you're using, not just the reps themselves. Rest periods are a little shorter, typically only 30 to 90 seconds. You don't need quite as much time to recover because you're not training as many muscle groups all at one time. If your goal is to build a balanced athletic physique while also putting on some strength, this is the style of training for you. It's good to still combine strength training with hypertrophy training, but putting on some muscle size is going to make you more solid, which, especially if you're an athlete, is going to give you an upper hand. Finally, we have power training. This style focuses on explosive movements and maximum force output. Think of it as a blend of speed and strength. Power training is all about doing fast, explosive reps with heavy to moderate weight for about the same reps that you would for strength. There's 2 main ways you can accomplish this. One is by doing explosive reps with a heavy weight for the whole set, or you can superset by doing a strength set and then doing an explosive quick movement with light to no weight right after. Exercises like power cleans, box jumps, or jump squats are very common for training for power and speed. The rest periods for power training should be anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes long to fully recover for the next set. This training style is perfect for athletes, but even if you're not in sports and you just want to stay athletic, it's a great option. There you have it, 3 distinct styles of training. Each has their place depending on your goals. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this, and make sure to comment below which training style you're going to try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And power training.